In one of my previous videos, I mentioned that fermented foods are very important to look younger, live longer, and eat for beauty. So today I will share one of my easiest fermented foods. It's cauliflower, fermented cauliflower. My name is Tanzila. I'm a clinical nutritionist. For more than 10 years, I help women to look younger, live longer, and eat for beauty. So let's see how we ferment cauliflower. I will be using only 3 ingredients: cauliflower, carrots, and garlic. So let's put this together. And we will start with preparing the brine. I will be using a jar, a liter of filtered water, we add 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper, 1 tablespoon of turmeric, and curry. And shake. Okay, so we'll put it aside for now, and let's cut some carrots. Now let's pick up our jar and put all vegetables inside. Let's begin with carrots, garlic, cauliflower, carrots, garlic, cauliflower. Again, carrots, some garlic, cauliflower. Garlic, cauliflower. And we'll complete with some carrots. Our vegetables are ready. Let's add some brine. Shake it again. Excellent. So here is the cauliflower stem. I will use it to cover our vegetables. So our cauliflower is ready for fermentation. We leave it in room temperature for 3 to 4 days, after which we can put it in the refrigerator. And after 7 to 10 days, it will be ready for consumption. If you want to learn more about how to look younger, live longer, and eat for beauty, please join the series of 4 video lessons, Principles of Optimal Health, Beauty and Energy, which is still available on my website. If you like this recipe, please let me know in the comments below and share it with your friends and family. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!